Today, I'm going to show you how to set up timecode on your Panasonic S5 Mark I, II, and IIX. The menus are nearly identical, so this tutorial will be useful to all models. First things first, confirm your frame rate. In this case, I'm using 29.97. On your TC-1, scroll over to the frame rate section and match it to the camera. Next, scroll over to the Out Type section and select A Out. To connect the TC-1 to your camera, you need a locking TRS to TRS cable. Locate the microphone jack on the left side of the camera and plug it in. Before we dive into the camera's settings, I want to acknowledge that there is a timecode submenu on the S5. The catch is that it doesn't accept external timecode. That's alright, we can use LTC audio timecode instead. In your camera's menu, go to the camera icon and then the first microphone icon. Inside this, set your sound record level display to on, your mic socket to mic level, and finally go to sound record level adjustment and reduce the gain until channel 1 is roughly -12 dB. Here you can see our timecode on the left channel while the TC-1 scratch audio is on the right. Mount the TC-1 to your camera and happy shooting.